pretty.
Yeah. Okay, not nearly as
Not as
aileron
twitchy.
sensitive,
Not trying to climb like it was. Good.
but I'm not going to push it
Yep.
because I know I don't have a whole lot of power.
Yep. Good plan.
But what's the windsock looking like?
Windsock is pointing toward the cars, not very fiercely.
Like pretty much straight across?
Yeah, it's...
Okay, I'm landing this way.
Okay.
So I don't know what's beeping.
Yep.
I don't have to do the funny math at the end when I record how I'm flighting. Still climbing a bit, but that's not horrible. Stay up high. Let's turn the stabilization on.
2 minutes. Stabilize mode. Horizon mode.
Horizon mode, you can think it's down a little bit.
Stabilize mode. 380 feet.
So the stabilize seems to be doing...
433 feet.
I think GPS is messed up.